right, Bass Pro. Here we go, guys. Get ready for the madness. All right, guys, we about to see what's going on at the Bass Pro shops. And see if they got ammo. I think they do have ammo. So we're about to check it out here. Of course, you know I got black and white girl. Oh boy. Black and white girl. Yeah. Anyway, let's go ahead and go into the Bass Pro shops, guys. All right, guys. So it looks like ammo is starting to come back. So we got a lot of ammo that's coming back now. It's looking pretty good. Tons of ammo, guys. We got a lot of ammo here, it looks like. So the shortage, I think the ammo shortage is starting to come to an end, guys, but I don't see any 9mm ammo. Now if you see ammo here, let me know, but I don't see any 9mm ammo. 7.62 right there for the heavy hitters, something that'll knock you off your feet. 12 gauge ammo, got plenty of that. Yeah, so this is it, guys. This whole area here, usually it was ammo on this whole aisle right here, but it is starting to look a little bit better here, so that's a good thing. All right. Got the long rifles there. It's looking good. What up, man?
How's it going?
How you doing, bro? Say hi, man.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, you got a page? You want to plug? No? But guess what? I'm gonna have you on my StreamYard. Cause you're an expert, so you're gonna be on my StreamYard. They're gonna see. Y'all remember this face, cause you're gonna see this face. I'm gonna get them in the StreamYard, guys.
Don't let them break your screen.
What you been up to, man?
Working.
What y'all got? Any ammo? Any 9mm ammo? Nah. I see y'all got it. It's a okay.
Yeah, it's looking a lot better than it has in 6 months or so.
Yeah, so it would you say that it's starting to come back now?
A little bit, but it's still fine line.
Okay, all right.
Really fine line.
Very good, very good.
Fortunately for all the doomsday guys, it takes one more political stunt. It'll be.
And then it'll start the whole process over again.
Back all over again. So.
Do y'all keep it down there too, or no?
No, all of these down here, primarily like rifle scopes.
Okay.
Rangefinder boxes, binoculars. So most of all of that, at least at Bass Pro. I can't vouch for other people. So.
Would you say that people are starting to purchase more firearms, or it kind of slowed down now?
It has slowed down a little bit more, at least for Tennessee, since we have a constitutional carry. We have a lot more handgun purchases.
Okay.
Makes sense, but right now they're kind of slowing down on the larger rifles. That will probably kick up once we get closer towards hunting season.
Okay.
For those of you guys looking for ammo for hunting season, start looking for that 1 caliber. So
very good.
Gets you guys ahead of the curve there. You know, a couple of boxes will get you out there for at least that one hunt. So.
It's perfect. What would you say your #1 firearm is being sold right now? I was hoping you were here too.
Hey, that's a tough one.
#1 and #2.
At least the top two, at least brand-wise, is definitely Glock. Whenever we get a Glock in,
because Glock is the way to go.
It sells quickly. SIG is probably a really good second in there.
Okay.
But I get a lot more SIGs than Glocks in, so.
All right, that's awesome. What do you carry?
Me?
Yeah.
I carry SIGs.
SIGs?
So.
You're a SIG guy.
Yeah.
My best friend, he likes SIG also, so.
Yep.
Very good. Yep, y'all remember this face because you're gonna see him on StreamYard and he's gonna educate you guys because this is one of the young and up and coming guys that know what the hell he's doing and know what he's talking about, so it'll be awesome. I'm gonna just check out and see what y'all got down through here, dude.
Alrighty, man.
All right. and pose with it, man. go on and pose with it. You look good with it. It's a semi-automatic shotgun, but I was about to purchase that. I think that's like 6 or 7 or something, man.
$700.
Yeah, that's the one I was about to purchase. The only reason why I didn't get it because I didn't like this is not M-lock in this area right here. See, that ain't really M-lock.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
So I didn't, and I've been seeing them jam up in this section online a lot. That was the only reason why I didn't get this, because I've been seeing like everybody channel that showed this, it was jamming every time. That was the only reason why I didn't get it.
But you do need a shotgun though.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh yeah, I got the Maverick 88. That's, you gonna get the best bang for your buck. Really? Maverick 88, you can get that for $200, $250. Yeah. I got one, the tactical setup and everything. Yeah, and he was saying one of these are semi-automatic too, but I can't remember which one it is. It was one of them sitting here, he told me, and it had a way lower price point. It was like $300 or $200. I can't remember which one it is.
That's 300, so.
Yeah, it's one of them. I don't know if it's this one or not. One of them was like semi-automatic. All right, fellas.
All right.
Excuse me. Nice little stock in there.
They do, yeah.
It's coming back. I'm happy about that. It was bad at first. Oh, they even got Glocks on there. What's going on, John? You miss me?
Yeah, I wonder where you're at.
You know me. I've been recording, man. It's my life.
Actually, filling up the shit.
Do you think that eventually the long shelf, do you think the long shelf eventually will come back when all of it's filled up?
Eventually, they're talking about going on around the corner.
Okay. That'd be good.
If we get that much stock.
That'd be real good. I'm Ivan.
Yeah.
I remember you from last time. Yeah.
I remember you too. That's why I was like, oh, that's that dude.
Yeah. Doing a little recording today. Trying to get a little footage in. I haven't done an ammo shortage like video in a long time, so this one will be the replenishment of ammo. Y'all got stuff I've never heard of before, like this Shadow. Never heard of it before. It was
They take blocks and P320s and remake them.
It was another one that actually it started with the S. It was another one. It was
Sterling. That's Sterling.
It wasn't Sterling. It was like SH. Just some new one at Academy that I saw. I can't remember what it was though. It was a weird name. They said they make shotguns and stuff like that, but I can't remember what it was. But I had never heard of it.
Yeah, we got
Short tap. You just know what they hell could. Yeah, we. Hey. Yeah, we have. Hello, boy. Or yeah, we have. I got to show. Very hard to get the doubles. Oh my God, who did this? Oh my God, get this. Ma. I short tap. You know, so we. Stop inside, yeah.